The IRS allows you to download your tax transcripts online quickly, easily, and for free. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. For those of you that need to access last year's AGI, information about prior or current tax returns, such as what certain errors, holds, and delays may mean, and for those of you that want a more informative way to check when your refund is coming. You're going to visit irs.gov and you're going to log into your account. If you have not opened an account with the IRS, it's going to take you some additional time because there are going to be several steps that you have to go through in order to first confirm your identity. Now, once you're logged into your account, you'll see the account homepage. Click the View Tax Records link. On the next page, click the Get Transcript button. The next page will show you your return transcript, records of account transcript, and wage and income transcript for the last 4 years. The account transcripts are the transcripts that are going to show changes that you or the IRS made after the original return was filed. Therefore, the account transcripts are the ones that you will want to access to see IRS updates. If you would like more information, including how to read your transcript, what the IRS internal codes mean, what common error codes mean that you may see as you are waiting for your return to be processed, and more information, then click the video on screen now.